completed. Now I am going to third problem, that is if x plus iy will become CAS of alpha into CAS of beta, then find the value of x square plus y square. So that fourth one is if z2 by z1 comma z1 not is equal to 0 is an imaginary number, then find the value of mod of 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2. After that, fifth one is if root 3 plus I whole power 100 is nothing but 2 power 99 into a plus ib, then show that a square plus b square will become 4. Fifth one is most important for 2 marks. So many times asking in public examination for IP point of view. First, now I am going to third one. What is given in third one? If x plus iy will become CAS alpha into CAS beta. We'll observe what is nothing but CAS alpha. Here we will observe cos alpha plus sin alpha, that is nothing but CAS of alpha. We'll observe in this one cos alpha plus sin alpha, we have to written as CAS alpha as well as CAS of alpha into CAS of beta is nothing but CAS of alpha plus beta will write. This is the two conditions. Cos alpha plus I sin alpha is nothing but CAS of alpha. After that, CAS alpha into CAS beta is nothing but CAS of alpha plus beta will write. You will observe in this one here CAS of alpha into CAS of beta, that I have to written as CAS of alpha plus beta will write. CAS of alpha plus beta will write. CAS of alpha will observe. I will write two conditions here. The first condition is CAS of alpha is nothing but cos alpha plus I sin alpha, and also one more condition is CAS of alpha into CAS of beta is nothing but CAS of alpha plus beta will write. That means x plus iy is nothing but we have to expand CAS. CAS is nothing but cos plus I sin, where alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta. That I will write cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta will write. Comparing real and imaginary part. Comparing real and imaginary part, we will get where x is nothing but cos of alpha plus beta. After we will take y is nothing but sin of alpha plus beta. But in this problem, we have to find out their squares. That means x square plus y square is nothing but cos alpha plus beta whole square plus sin alpha plus beta whole square will write. That means we have to expand in this one, that I will write cos square alpha plus beta plus sin square alpha plus beta. Theta, whatever it may be, when it is of the form sin square theta plus cos square theta, this given value is 1. I will write. This is the value for x square plus y square. That means x square plus y square is nothing but 1. This is asking first one. After now I am going to next one, that is by the problem if z1 by z2 by z1 comma z1 does not is equal to 0 is an imaginary number. I will write that one. Given that z2 by z1 comma z1 does not is equal to 0 is an imaginary number. When z2 by z1 is imaginary number means that I will write z2 by z1 is nothing but iy will write. We'll observe x plus iy is a complex number is comparing with z2 by z1 means we have to write their real part means where x is nothing but z2 by z1. After that, z2 by z1 is the imaginary number means that I will write z2 by z1 is nothing but iy will write. But what is the given condition here? Here the given condition is mod of 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2 is given. We'll observe in this one. I will common with z1 in numerator and denominator. We will get where z1 is common, remaining that I have to written as 2 plus z2 by z1. After that, here also their denominator common with z1 that I will write z1 into 2 minus z2 by z1 that I will write. Where z1 and z1 will be cancelled. After that, here also by the problem where z2 by z1 will become iy will write. That means mod of 2 plus iy by 2 minus iy will write. We have to slip into mod of a by b that will be written as mod a by mod b will write. When given one, I will take a complex number that is z is equal to x plus iy will take the modulus of a complex number mod z is nothing but root of x square plus y square will write. Where given x is 2, where y is y, that I will write root of 2 square plus y square by the denominator also that I will write 2 square plus minus y whole square will write. 2 square is nothing but 4. That means root of 4 plus y square by root of 4 plus y square will write. Both will be cancelled. Their value is 1. This is the value for mod of 2z1 plus z2 by 2z1 minus z2 is nothing but 1. Is nothing but 1. After now I am going to fifth one. This is most important for 2 marks in IP level. What is given? Root 3 plus I whole power 100 is nothing but 2 power 99 into a plus ib. Here we will observe in this one, taking mod on both sides, taking mod on both sides, we get taking mod on both sides means that I will write root 3 plus I into 1 whole power 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into mod of a plus ib will write. Mod of root 3 plus I into 1 that must be written as root of 3 square plus 1 square whole power 100 is nothing but 2 power 99 into here also I have to written as a square plus b square will write. Where square and root will be cancelled. 3 plus 1 will become 4. Root 4 whole power 100 is nothing but 2 power 99 into root of a square plus b square will write. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 power 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into root of a square plus b square will write. 2 power 99 and 2 power 100 will be cancelled. Remaining is 2. That I will write 2 is equal to root of a square plus b square. Squaring on both sides. Where 2 square is nothing but 4. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining is a square plus b square. That is the value. A square plus b square is nothing but 4. Squaring on both sides. A square, 2 square is nothing but 4 is equal to square and root will be cancelled. Remaining is a square plus b square will write. Okay, after now I am going to fifth section. Fifth Roman, first one is if z is equal to x plus iy, z is equal to x plus iy, and mod z is equal to 1, mod z is equal to 1, then find the locus of z, then find the locus of z. What is given? Where given complex number z is equal to x plus iy, and also one condition is given, that is the given condition is mod z is nothing but 1. Mod z that we have to written as root of x square plus y square will write 1. Here by using squaring on both sides, that I will write x square plus y square is nothing but 1. 1. This is 1, that nothing but 1 square will write. Given 1 when it is of the form x square plus y square is nothing but r square will write. This is the given circle equation. This is the given circle equation. This is the given circle equation. After now I am going to second one. The amplitude of z minus 1 is pi by 2. Then find the locus of z. Then find the locus of z. We will observe in this one. First I will take, let a complex number, that z I will take x plus iy. That means z minus 1 means I will take x plus iy minus 1 will write. I have to divide the real and imaginary part, that is x minus 1 plus iy will write. One statement is given, that is amplitude of z minus 1 is pi by 2 is given. Amplitude of z, I will write their formula. Amplitude of z is nothing but tan inverse y by x. That means tan inverse imaginary part by real part we will write. That means tan inverse, where z minus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 plus I into y will write. where imaginary part is y, real part is x minus 1, that is nothing but pi by 2 will write. Tan inverse become that side, that I will write y by x minus 1 is nothing but tan pi by 2. That means y by x minus 1 is nothing but sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2 will write. Tan pi by 2 is nothing but sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2 will write. Where sin pi by 2 is nothing but 1, cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. By using the cross multiplication, x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1, y into 0 will become 0. That I will write. This is the locus of z. This is the locus of z. After now I am going to third problem. This is most important for 2 marks. If the argument z1 bar and argument z2 are 5 by 5 and 5 by 3 respectively, then find argument z1 plus argument z2. We will find what is given in this one. The argument z1 bar and the argument z2 are 5 by 5 plus 5 by 3 is given. Find argument z1 plus argument z2 given. Argument of z1 bar is nothing but 5 by 5. We know that one formula. Argument of z bar is nothing but minus argument z will write. Argument of z bar is nothing but minus argument z will write. That means argument of z1 bar, that we have to written as argument z1 is nothing but minus argument z1 will write. Where argument z1 bar is nothing but minus argument z1 will write. Minus argument z1 is nothing but minus 5 by 5 will write. This is the value of argument z1 bar. Argument z1 bar. Finally, I will write argument z1 bar is nothing but minus 5 by 5. Why? Because of argument z bar is always minus argument z will write. Here also argument z1 bar. Okay, we will flip into the bar. I have to take the symbol minus. That means argument z1 is nothing but minus 5 by 5. One more is given, that is argument z2 is nothing but 5 by 3. By the problem, what we have to find? Argument z1 plus argument z2 is equal to. What about the value of argument z1 here? Minus 5 by 5 plus argument z2 is nothing but 5 by 3. Minus 3 into pi will become 3 pi. 5 into pi is 5 pi. The denominator is 15. That I will write 2 pi by 15. This is the value of argument z1 plus argument z2. So now I am going to fourth problem in fifth section. If z is equal to 1 plus 2i by 1 minus of 1 minus I whole square, then find argument z. We'll observe in this one, what is the given complex number where z is nothing but 1 plus 2i by 1 minus of 1 minus I whole square. We'll observe, when the denominator it is of the form a minus b whole square. Okay, I have to find that value. 1 minus I whole square is nothing but 1 square plus I square. minus 2 into 1 into I will write. Where I square is nothing but minus 1, remaining is minus 2I will write. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, remaining is minus 2I. This is the value 1 minus I whole square. 1 minus I whole square is nothing but 1 minus 2I. That means Z is equal to 1 plus 2I by the denominator 1 minus of minus 2I will write. That is Z is nothing but 1 plus 2I by 1 plus 2I. Okay, both will be cancelled. That is Z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 means that I will write the 1 plus I into 0 will write. By the problem, what we have to find out? Then that implies we have to find out argument Z is nothing but tan inverse Y by X. This we have to compare with this. Z will become 1 plus I into 0. This complex number can compare with X plus IY. Where Y becomes 0, X becomes 1. That I will write. Argument Z is nothing but tan inverse 0 by 1 will write. 0 by 1 is always 0. Tan inverse of 0 in tan is tan 0. Tan 0 is nothing but 0. Tan 0 is sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 becomes 0. Cos 0 becomes 1. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Tan inverse of tan 0, that I will write 0. This is the value of argument Z. This is the value of argument Z. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to next one. Now I am going to second section in first Roman. Simplify the following complex numbers. Simplify the following complex numbers and find their modulus We will given two problems. First one is 2 plus 4i into minus 1 plus 2i by the denominator is minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I. Second one is 1 plus I whole cube by 2 plus I into 1 plus 2i. Simplify the following complex numbers and find their modulus. First one is 2 plus 4i into minus 1 plus 2i by minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I. Given complex number, let us take Z. That is Z is nothing but 2 plus 4i into minus 1 plus 2i by the denominator is minus 1 minus I into 3 minus I will write. First we have multiplied in this one, that I will write minus 2 plus 2 into 2i is 4i plus into minus minus 4i into 1 is 4i. 2 fourths 8. I into I becomes I square. I square is minus 1. That I will write minus 8 by plus into minus minus 1 into 3 is 3. Minus into minus becomes plus 1 into I is I. Minus into minus plus 3 into I is 3i. Minus into minus plus I into I will become I square. That I will write minus 1. minus 4i and plus 4i will be cancelled. Remaining is minus 10 by minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Remaining is minus 2i will write. I will common with minus 2. Remaining is 2 plus I. That means minus and minus will be cancelled. 2 1, 2 5. That is the given value is 5 by 2 plus I. This is the value of z. The modulus of a z. The modulus of z is nothing but mod z will write. That means mod of 5 by 2 plus I. Mod of 5 by 2 plus I is nothing but. That means mod of 5 is always 5. The denominator that we have to write as 2 square plus 1 square will write. That means 5 by root 5. 5 by root 5 is nothing but this we have to written as root 5 into root 5 by root 5 will write. Both will be cancelled. Then remaining answer is 5. Remaining answer is 5. After now I am going to second one. This is also will take z. Simplify the following complex number and find their module. Given complex number, that is say 1 plus I whole cube by 2 plus I into 1 plus 2I will write. Already we know that one formula. A plus B whole cube is nothing but A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square will write. We have to expand in this one, that I will write Z is nothing but 1 cube plus I cube plus 3 into 1 square into I plus 3 into 1 into I square by their denominator 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2i is 4i, I into 1 is I, 2i into I is 2i square, 2i square is nothing but minus 2, minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. After that z is equal to 1 cube is 1, I cube is nothing but minus I plus 3i, where I square becomes minus 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 by their denominator that I will write 5i. That means z is nothing but 3i minus I will become 2i. 1 minus 3 is 2, minus 2 plus 2i by their denominator is 5i. This is the given complex number, but we have to find out the modulus. The modulus of z is nothing but mod z, that I will write minus 2 plus 2i by the denominator that I will have to write 0 plus I into 5 will write. That means here we have to write root of minus 2 whole square plus 2 square by the denominator that we have to write 0 square plus 5 square will write. That is nothing but 2 square is 4, again 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Root 8 by square and root will be cancelled, remaining is 5. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2 by 5. This is the modulus of a given complex number. So now I am going to next one. Second Roman, first one is if 1 minus I into 2 minus I into 3 minus I and so on, n minus I is nothing but x minus iy. Then prove that 2 into 5 into 10 and so on 1 plus n square is equal to x square plus y square. We will observe in this one what is given one, where 1 minus I into 2 minus I into 3 minus I and so on n minus I is nothing but x minus I by will write. But here we have to write 1 plus I into minus 1. After we have to write 2 plus I into minus 1. After we have to write 3 plus I into minus 1 and so on n plus half I into minus 1 must be equal to x plus half I into minus 5 will write. Okay, taking mod on both sides, taking mod on both sides. Taking mod on both sides means that I will write mod of 1 plus I into minus 1 into 2 plus I into minus 1 into 3 plus I into minus 1 into and so on n plus I into minus 1 is nothing but mod of x plus I into minus y will write. Mod of x plus iy that I will write root of x square plus y square. First one I will write 1 square plus minus 1 square. Second one we have to write 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. Third one I will write 3 square plus minus 1 whole square and so on root of n square plus minus 1 whole square is nothing but root of x square plus minus y whole square will write. This value is root 2, this value is root 5, 9 plus 1 will become 10 and so on plus root of 1 plus n square is nothing but root of x square plus y square. Here squaring on both sides we will get root 2 into root 5 into root 10 and so on 1 plus n square whole square is nothing but root of x square plus y square whole square will write where square and root will be cancelled. Okay, we have to expand in this one root 2 whole square, root 5 whole square, root 10 whole square. Later it was written as 1 plus n square whole square is nothing but x square plus y square will write square and root will be cancelled. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining is 2 into 5 into 10 and so on plus 1 plus n square is nothing but x square plus y square will write. This is the proof of given one. If the real part of z plus 1 by z plus I is 1, then find the locus of z. What is given in this one? By the problem, real part of z plus 1 by z plus I is 1 given. First we have to find out the value of z plus 1 by z plus I. That means let us take z is nothing but x plus iy, then that implies z plus 1 by z plus I is nothing but x plus iy plus 1 by the denominator is x plus iy plus I will write. Here we have to separate a real and imaginary part. We will get in this one x plus 1 plus iy by x plus of I into y plus 1 will write. I into y will become iy, I into 1 is I. The conjugate of x plus of I into y plus 1 will become x minus of I into y plus 1 by x minus of I into y plus 1 will write. But x plus 1 plus iy into remaining that we have to written as x minus iy plus into minus is minus minus I by. Okay, when the denominator it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write x square minus I square into y plus 1 whole square will write. That means where x into x is x square minus I into xy minus ix plus 1 into x is x minus iy minus I. After iy into x is nothing but I into xy. I into I will become I square is minus 1 minus into minus is plus y square remaining plus into minus minus I into I is I square. I square is minus 1 minus into minus is plus y by the denominator is x square plus y plus 1 whole square will write. Here we will observe in this one minus ixy and plus ixy will be cancelled. Remaining terms that I will write x square. After we will write y square. Remaining I will write x. After we have to write y. I will common with I. Remaining terms that will be written as minus x minus y minus 1 by the denominator is x square plus y plus 1 whole square will write. We have to separate it, the real and imaginary part we will get x square plus y square plus x plus y by x square plus y plus 1 whole square plus I into minus x minus y minus 1 by x square plus y plus 1 whole square. This is the value is nothing but z plus 1 by z plus I. By the problem what is given? By the problem what is given? Real part of z plus 1 by z plus I is nothing but 1. Now I am going to from 1. From 1 we have what is from 1? Real part of z plus 1 by z plus I is nothing but 1. This is the real part will take. Real part. Real part. This is the imaginary part. Real part of z is nothing but 1 means that I will write x square plus y square plus x plus y by the denominator is x square plus y plus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. How to multiply it in this one? That I will write x square plus y square plus x plus y is nothing but x square plus y square plus 1 plus 2y will write. Both x square, y square and will be cancelled. This value becomes this side. X plus y minus 2y minus 1 becomes 0. That is x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. By the problem, find the locus of z. This is required locus of z. This is required locus of z. That is given one is x minus y minus 1 becomes 0. So I am going to next one. Third one is if mod of z minus 3 plus I is equal to 4, determine the locus of z, determine the locus of z we will observe in this one. Here given complex number, let z that I will take x plus I y will write. What is the given condition here? Mod of z minus 3 plus I is nothing but 4. Here z I have to substitute with x plus I y. X plus I y minus 3 plus I will become 4. That I will write. I have to separate the real and imaginary part. X minus 3 plus where I is common remaining, that I have to written as y plus 1 is nothing but 4 we will write. That means when it is of the form x plus iy, mod of x plus iy means that I will write x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is nothing but 4. Squaring on both sides, that I will write x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Root whole square is nothing but 4 square will write. Square and root will be cancelled. Remaining that I have to written as x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 whole square is nothing but 4 square. This we have to compare with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is nothing but r square. This is what is this? This is circle equation. Circle equation. This is the circle equation means we have to write their center. Center C is nothing but h comma k will write, where h is 3, k is nothing but minus 1. After we'll write radius. Radius is nothing but r square is nothing but 4 square means where r is nothing but 4. This is the given locus of z. This is the given locus of z. After now I am going to fourth one. That is, first I will write problem. If mod of z plus ai is equal to mod of z minus ai, then find the locus of z. Then find the locus of z. We will observe in this one. First I will take a complex number. Let z is nothing but x plus iy will take. Here the given condition is mod of z plus ai is nothing but mod of z minus ai will write. Where z is nothing but x plus iy. X plus iy plus ay is equal to x plus iy minus ai will write. Here I will common with I, remaining terms that must be written as y plus a. After that here common is x. I will common with I, remaining that I have to written as y minus a. When it is of the form mod of x plus iy, that must be written as root of x square plus y plus a whole square is nothing but root of x square plus y minus a whole square will write. Both roots will be cancelled, remaining x square plus y plus a whole square is nothing but x square plus y minus a whole square. X square and x square will be cancelled. Remaining y plus a whole square, we have to expand in this one. Y square plus a square plus 4ya is nothing but y square plus a square minus 4ya will write, both will be cancelled. Remaining 4ya is equal to minus 4ya. 4 and 4, a and a will be cancelled. Y is equal to minus y. Y plus y will become 0. 2y is equal to 0. Y will become 0. Y is equal to 0 means the graph represented x-axis. Y is equal to 0 means it represents x-axis. Y is equal to 0 means it represents x-axis. This is y is equal to 0. This is required locus of z. Locus of z. After now I am going to next one. If z is equal to x plus iy and if the point P in the organed plane represents z, then describe geometrically the locus of P satisfying the quotient Here the first one is mod of 2z minus 3 is nothing but 7. What is the given condition here? Where mod of 2z minus 3 is nothing but 7. Find the locus of z. We have to find out in this one. Here, first I will take, let a complex number, z I will take x plus iy. We have to substitute x plus iy in this given equation. That means mod of 2z minus 3 is nothing but 7. Where z becomes x plus iy. 2 into x plus iy minus 3 will become 7. How to multiply it in this one? 2x plus I into 2y minus 3 will become 7. How to separate the real and imaginary part? 2x minus 3 plus I into 2y is nothing but 7. When it is of the form mod of x plus iy, that I will write root of 2x minus 3 whole square plus 2y whole square is nothing but 7. Squaring on both sides, that means root of 2x minus 3 whole square plus 2y whole square is nothing but 7 square. Where square and root will be cancelled. Remaining, when it is of the form a minus b whole square, that I will write 4x square plus 9, 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12x plus 4y square is nothing but 49. That means 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x plus 9 minus 40 is must be equal to 0. That I will write 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x minus 40 is equal to 0. Four is common. Remaining that I will write. This is nothing but x. That I will write x square plus y square minus 3x plus 10 is must be equal to 0. That I will write x square plus y square minus 3x plus 0 into y plus 10 will become 0. I will write 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is required locus of z. This is required locus of z means we have to find out their values. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 0 into y plus 10 will become 0. This given one can compare with x square plus y square plus 2gh plus 2fy plus c will become 0. Where 2g is nothing but minus 3, 2f is nothing but 0, c is nothing but 10. That means g is equal to minus 3 by 2, f is equal to 0. First I will write center c is nothing but minus g comma minus f. Minus of minus becomes plus 3 by 2 comma 0 will write. After we have to write radius small r is nothing but root of g square plus f square minus c will write. That means root of 3 by 2 whole square plus 0 square minus 10 will write. That is nothing but 9 by 4 minus 10. 9 by 4 minus 10, that is root of. So I'm sorry, this is nothing but minus 10. So I'm extremely sorry. This is also minus 10. This is minus 10. C is nothing but minus 10. Minus of minus 10 will become plus 10. 49 by 4, that will become 7 by 2. This is radius. Radius small r is nothing but 7 by 2. Okay, students, see you next class. I will continue remaining problems on next class. Madam, 7th class books madam. Sandeep madam.